Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my daily Arabic vocabularies. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to change the verb la ya'tamir to suit some certain pronouns in Arabic. Nahayun, prohibition. Nahayun, prohibition. We are going to learn how to instruct others not to do something in Arabic using different forms of verbs. The question is, how do we change the verb la ya'tamir to suit the pronouns below? La ya'tamir simply means he should not perform umrah. He in Arabic is huwa, which is the opposite of hiya, she. So how do we now change the verb la ya'tamir to suit the following pronouns? Wahid, number one. Ana, I. So how do we change the verb la ya'tamir to suit ana? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach alifun. So the verb la ya'tamir will now become la a'tamir, which means I shouldn't perform umrah. Ithnan, number two. Nahanu, we. So how do we change the verb la ya'tamir to suit nahanu? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach nunun. So the verb la ya'tamir will now become la na'tamir, which means we should not perform umrah. Thalatha, number three. Anta, you, representing a single male person. So how do we change the verb la ya'tamir to suit anta? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. So the verb la ya'tamir will now become la ta'tamir, which means don't perform umrah, talking to a single male person. Arba'a, number four. Anti, you, representing a single female person. So how do we change the verb la ya'tamir to suit anti? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. Not only that, then you attach ya'un to the last letter. Remember, once ya'un is attached, the letter before it must take kasra, as we know that ya'un is the mother of kasra in Arabic. So the verb la ya'tamir will now become la ta'tamiri, which means you should not perform umrah, talking to a single female person directly. Hamsa, number five. Here, she. So how do we change the verb la ya'tamir to suit here? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. So the verb la ya'tamir will now become la ta'tamir, which means she should not perform umrah. Remember, we use ya'un to talk about a single male person and ta'un to talk about a single female person. So talking about them does not mean talking to them directly. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udrus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udrus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mufradun, singular. Muthanna, dual. Jamu, plural. Mufrad, singular. This is a word in Arabic that means only one. Muthanna, dual. This is a word in Arabic that means only two. Jamu, plural. This is a word in Arabic that means more than two, from three upward. Remember, plurality in Arabic starts from three upward, unlike English, where it starts from two upward. Then we talk about mudhakkar. Mudhakkarun, masculine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a male person or a male object. Just like the verb la ta'tamir can only be used to command a single male person not to perform umrah. So if there are two in number, all you need to do is to attach alifun to the last letter of the verb la ta'tamir. Remember, once alifun is attached, the letter before it must take fataha, as we know that alifun is the mother of fataha in Arabic. So the verb la ta'tamir will now become la ta'tamira. La ta'tamira, which means you should not perform umrah, talking to two male persons. So if there are more than two, all you need to do is to attach wawun to the last letter. Remember, once wawun is attached, the letter before it must take dhamma, as we know that wawun is the mother of dhamma in Arabic. So the verb la ta'tamir will now become la ta'tamiru, which means you should not perform umrah, talking to a group of male persons. So you may ask me, so the alifun written there after the wa, what is it doing there? So the alifun is only telling you that the wawun written before me is not part of the verb. Rather, it is an extra letter. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Then we talk about mu'annas. Mu'annathun, feminine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a female person or a female object. Just like the verb la ta'tamiri can only be used to command a single female person not to perform umrah. So if there are two in number, use the same form of the verb la ta'tamira. So if there are more than two, all you need to do is to go and replace ya'un in la ta'tamiri with nunun carrying fataha. Then you give kasra to the letter before it. As we know that ya'un is the mother of kasra in Arabic. So then you give nunun, I repeat. So if there are more than two, so you go and replace ya'un in la ta'tamiri with nunun carrying fataha. Then you give sukun to the letter before it. So the verb la ta'tamiri will now become la ta'tamirna, which means you should not perform umrah. Talking to a group of female persons. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Al-istimal, now the usage. Wahid, number one. لا يعتمر خالد يوم الأحد. لا يعتمر خالد يوم الأحد. لا يعتمر خالد. Khalid should not perform umrah يوم الأحد on Sunday. اثنان, number two. لا تعتمر زينب يوم الاثنين. لا تعتمر زينب يوم الاثنين. لا تعتمر زينب. Zainab should not perform umrah يوم الاثنين on Monday. ثلاثة, number three. لا تعتمر يوم الثلاثاء يا خالد. لا تعتمر يوم الثلاثاء يا خالد. لا تعتمر. You should not perform umrah or don't perform umrah يوم الثلاثاء on Tuesday يا خالد. خالد. أربعة, number four. لا تعتمري يوم الأربعاء يا زينب. لا تعتمري يوم الأربعاء يا زينب. لا تعتمري يوم الأربعاء. Don't perform umrah on Wednesday يا زينب. زينب. خمسة, number five. لا تعتمر يوم الخميس. لا تعتمر. You should not perform umrah. Talking to Hashim and Khalid يوم الخميس on Thursday. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. ستة, number six. لا تعتمروا يوم الجمعة يا إخوة. لا تعتمروا يوم الجمعة يا إخوة. لا تعتمروا. You should not perform umrah. Talking to a group of male persons. يوم الجمعة on Friday. يا إخوة, brothers. سبعة, number seven. لا تعتمرنا يوم السبت يا أخوات. لا تعتمرنا. You should not perform umrah يوم السبت on Saturday. Talking to a group of female persons. يا أخوات, sisters. ثمانية, number eight. لا نعتمر الشهر القادمة. لا نعتمر الشهر القادمة. We should not perform umrah by next month. لا نعتمر الشهر القادمة. We should not perform umrah by next month. تسعة, number nine. لا أعتمر الأسبوع القادم. لا أعتمر. I shouldn't perform umrah الأسبوع القادم by next week. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Then we now the comparison between amrun, commandment, and nahayun, prohibition. Wahid, number one. Huwa, he. ليعتمر, he should perform umrah. لا يعتمر, he should not perform umrah. اثنان, number two. Here, she. لتعتمر, she should perform umrah. لا تعتمر, she should not perform umrah. ثلاثة, number three. أنا, I. لأعتمر, I should perform umrah. لا أعتمر, I shouldn't perform umrah. أربعة, number four. نحن, we. لنعتمر, we should perform umrah. لا نعتمر, we should not perform umrah. ستة, number six. أنت. خمسة, number five. أنت, you. Talking to a single male person. اعتمر, you should perform umrah. لا تعتمر, you should not perform umrah. ستة, number six. أنت, you. Representing a single female person. اعتمري, you should perform umrah. لا تعتمري, you should not perform umrah. سبعة, number seven. أنتم, all of you. Referring to a group of male persons. اعتمروا, you should all perform umrah. لا تعتمروا, don't perform umrah. ثمانية, number eight. أنتن, all of you. referring to a group of female persons. اعتمرنا, you should all perform umrah. لا تعتمرنا, you should not perform umrah. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Do not forget to go to the classroom. Take your lesson watching a single video clips and revise it using the PDF file below it. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.